Guys, welcome to a new update about Bloom. Here we are going to talk about the new criteria that you need to be among those people who will get Bloom airdrop. Okay, there are three criteria, and in this video I'm talking about how to get meme points easily and in 5 minutes. Okay, in 5 minutes you can get about 2000 meme points for free. Actually, it's not free. You will put there some gas fee. Okay, it's only gas fee that you're going to pay, and you can get about 2000 5000 meme points, because meme points are really important in these airdrops, even more important than balloon points. Here you can see the meme points, and meme points are really important. Okay, I think that the airdrop will be mostly dependent on meme points and how much you have meme point in your account. And at least you should have about 750 MP. And let's go about the roadmap. Here you can see that roadmap has some updates in it. The TG and airdrop criteria, token utilities, tokenomics are going to happen in Q2 2025. Okay, and which is really approaching to us. So first criteria is that you should have minimum of 100k balloon points, and then you should have minimum of 750 MP. For getting 750 meme points, you need to only pay about less than 30 cent or 40 cent for gas fee. That's all. But you should trade $10. So you should have about $11 in your wallet in order to be able to trade. Okay. And then you will pay half a dollar for gas fee, and you can just sell the token and keep your $10. It's really easy. We are going to have that now. And then you should have minimum of 2 referrals. Let's go to Bloom app and see how we can earn those meme points. I have about okay, I have about $1. I should have $10. Let's receive some tone here and then continue. Okay, now I can go and buy. Here you can see that I can buy this. Okay, I enter the amount. Here. Okay, for example, this much, and now you can see that I put it for 3 tone. Okay, and you can see that I can buy and then I can sell it. Okay, you see I can buy it. But as you can see, the slippage is too high. Okay, try the coins that has less slippage, or you can manually put the slippage down. 10% slippage means that you may lose 10% of your money. So lower the slippage and continue. And here, as you can see, you can go for hot. Okay, don't go for new coins, because new coins are so risky. You may buy one coin and instantly you want to sell it. First of all, the slippage will be so high, and also you may not be able to sell it. So don't go for new, go for hot. You can go for listed. Okay, these are more safe. And we have by market cap. Okay, which one has the most market cap? Okay, this one has more market cap, so we can go for it. I think we can go for it and trade this one. Let's see. So I go for buy it, and I lower the slippage to 1%. Done. And let's see. So I click on buy. It comes to my Tonekeeper. Yes, and after confirming the transaction, you buy. Then you come here and sell all your tokens. That's it, and you get your money back. Okay, and Bloom gives you MP for doing the transaction. Okay, you can get the MP or meme points for doing the transaction, and here is the rule. Okay, so the main criteria for getting meme points: launch token with meme points will give you 500 meme points. Your token moves to DEX. You will get 10,000 meme points and trade on the meme pad. If you trade on the meme pad, you will get 50 meme points for each $10 of trading. And trading with trading bot, if you get to the trading bot, you will get 750 meme points for each $10 off trading volume with a single TXN. Yeah, that's all, guys. If you want to trade on the trading bot, you can enter this bot here and you can click token list, and from the token list you can for example select the Solana tokens or new tokens, Bloom new, Bloom hot, Bloom listed. Okay, we were in the Bloom listed tokens, as you can see, and you can choose this one. Okay, for example this one. Yeah, and here you can buy or sell it, really easy. And you can come to this part, click buy or sell option, and you can come here and click the buy. Okay, set buy amount. Okay, and set slippage. You want to set slippage, you can click on 2%, for example, 2%. Okay, and set buy amount to 3 ton, 3. Let's see. Yeah, and you can now come and buy this. Okay, it's about $11. Let's see. So here in the trading bot you have an address. Okay, this is your address. You should go to your tone keeper and send tone to this address in order to be able to buy tokens. Okay, it's really easy. Just go on and go to your wallet and send some tone to this address. Okay, here as you can see I have recharged my balance and I want to buy this. Okay, click on the buy. Now I have bought this token. Okay, I wanna send I wanna sell Papa. Okay, here's Papa. Okay, I wanna sell it. You set the amount to 100%, then you sell it. Yeah, and here you can see that I have sold all my Papa tokens. Meanwhile, you are selling a token. Okay, if you see this confirmed, then your token has been sold. Okay, and I have this much PNL, about 1%, half a percent, minus PNL. Okay, then I go to the main menu. Okay, and I wanna buy the Papa again. Okay, here you can get trading volume, and by having enough trading volume then you can get the meme points. It's really easy. Okay, it's really easy. You come to this part, buy and sell. Okay, and here you can see the token lists again and Bloom listed. Okay, you then you can select others. Okay, go to token lists and you can see the Bloom listed. Okay, Papa was good. Okay, I entered Papa. Okay, then I wanna buy about 3 ton with the slippage of 2%. So then I click on buy and I wait for the confirmation. Trade undefined, unable to fetch trade. Okay, and here you can see, okay, 3 buy, trade on confirm. Okay, it's done and I have bought that one. Okay, as you can see I have bought that one about 350k. Okay, and now I wanna sell that token. Okay, I wanna sell about 100% of my Papa token with the slippage of 2%. Okay, here you can see the processing. Okay, it's processing, as you can see. It's confirmed now. Okay, I go and buy again. Okay, I do this for several times so that I can get those meme points enough. Okay, here you can see I wanna once again I click on set buy amount. Okay, here you can, your total balance is, yeah, send. Now I wanna buy again. Okay, as you can see I have bought it and I can just hit the refresh button here. Okay, if I hit the refresh button you will see that Okay, here as you can see, I have got some MP balance. As you can see, 750 MP balance, and I can get 750 for every $10 trading. Okay, it's really easy, but you may lose some of your funds for fees and slippage. For example, in every trade, I lose about half a dollar. Okay, so or 40 cents, 30 cents. So keep in mind that every time you trade, you lose a little bit of your money. As you can see, Papa has less market cap, okay, and less holders than Didi. As you can see, Didi is better. Okay, so we will trade Didi this time. Yeah, I had a little bit Papa, I sell it again, and then I go for Didi. Didi is better. It may have lower slippage amount. It will need low fee than Papa. When I enter positions, I see that there's no position. It means that I have sold Papa. And every time you want to sell something, it says a processing, okay? You should wait, and if it is confirmed, you will get your meme points. As you can see here, I have gotten a lot of meme points here, okay? And that's really great, okay? 4,500. And I wanna trade DD2, okay? Here you can come to the token list and go to blooming, okay, for example, and here you can check them because we are looking for something that is created for old. Okay, this has about 1 month age and market cap. You can see the volume holders are 43, but the more holders it have, it may not crash soon. Okay, the holders is really important thing. I think the Didi, as you can see here, Didi had more holders. I think, yeah, 1K holders. That's really great. 1K holders. Okay, so I wanna trade and buy Didi here. Okay, buy Didi. So I click on buy and processing. Okay, processing means that it's going to be bought really soon. Okay, confirmed. And you can go to main menu to see your positions. Okay, and refresh. We will see. Yeah, as you can see, don't forget to wait. Okay, when you buy a token, don't sell it immediately, because this Bloom trading bot, okay, it has bug and it doesn't count your MP for trading really fast. Okay, wait for 5 minutes, then you can sell it and it will show your positions then, because when immediately you want to see your position, it won't work. And sometimes transactions fail because of low slippage amount, but I don't care. Okay, I do it again. You can do the transaction again, because high slippage amount will burn your money. You wait after the transaction, 1 minute later you can see your positions, your PNL, okay, about -3%. And yeah, every time I buy a token here, it goes down, it never goes up. I don't know why. And here you can sell it before it goes to zero. Okay, going to zero. Okay, this is really ridiculous, because I see that I lose a lot of money here. Okay, every time I want to sell something, it says that unable to fetch. I don't know, you have low gas fee, and that I have about $4 or $5 gas fee here. Okay, and it says that you have low gas fee. Okay, it's really strange. Really strange. So finally, I sold this DD token and I lost about $2. Okay, in 5 minutes, I got -10% PNL. Okay, this token dropped 10%, and this was the best token on Bloom. Okay, this was the best token on Bloom, and it just dropped 10% in 5 minutes. Okay, in 5 minutes. It's really strange. Okay, it's really strange. It looks like really, I don't know what to say about Bloom. Okay, so I wanna see that how much I lost. Okay, I lost about 1 ton. I lost about 1 ton in about 10 minutes, and I got about 2,250 MP or meme points. Okay, I lost a lot. I lost 1 point or about $4.50, and I got about 2,250 MP. Okay, I don't know, guys. You say in the comments. Here, you wanna withdraw all tone. Okay, you wanna withdraw all your tone. You come and click here. You paste your wallet here. Okay, and then here you send your wallet address. Okay, and here you can confirm withdrawal. That's all. Okay, you don't need anything. Was it worth it or not? And if you wanna be among those people who will see the next update about Bloom and other projects, just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you. Bye bye.